Science is here. Science is there. Science is everywhere. Where will Science Time visit today? Let's go see.
We're gonna learn about the world we live in. It's science time. It's science time. We're gonna play. It's fun experimenting. It's science time. It's science time. At home, in the kitchen, when we're cooking, there is science. Outside, in the garden, in the night sky, there is science. Wake up.
Oh, wow!
Cool.
Hi, Ali. What are you looking at?
Oh, hi BJ. I'm looking at the moon through this telescope here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Can I have a turn?
of course you can.
Okay, how does it work?
Well, you just need to look through this hole here, up at the moon, and you can tell me what you see.
Okay. Oh, wow! It makes the moon look really close.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
I can see all the bumps and the craters. Wow. You know, Ali, I wonder what the moon is made out of.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well, I don't know. You know what would be cool?
What?
If we could go to the moon and check for ourselves.
Oh, that would be fantastic.
Yeah.
We could have a real close look and see what it's made of. Well, you know, here at Science Time, I think we can pretty much do anything we like. Do you want to go and visit the moon?
I think I would.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, so Ali and I are going to go visit the moon. All right. Come with us. Look, Ali, that's the rocket we're going to fly to the moon in.
I know, it looks so big.
It's huge.
Now, of course, while we were coming here, we got into our spacesuits. It's very, very important for us so that we're protected from the cold and radiation out in space.
Yeah, you can't go into space without a full spacesuit.
That's right.
Now, let's make sure we've got everything. So, do you have your oxygen tank connected?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. Here's the big tank. I've got one as well. And this is full of air so we can breathe.
That's right.
Because there's no air on the moon.
Oh, and BJ, did you remember your helmet?
Yes. I've got my helmet too. Because we're going to have our helmet to protect us. But we can still see out the visor as well. So that'll be fantastic. So now I think we've got everything,
Oh,
Ali.
wait. What about cameras?
Oh, yep. Got my special space camera. Because
Yep.
we're going to take some photos of us on the moon. It's
gonna be pretty good.
It's going to be great. Okay, so we've got our oxygen. We've got our helmet. We've got our spacesuits. Got our cameras. I think we're ready to go.
I think so. Let's go.
Okay, come with us. Oh, it's going to be so exciting. Can't wait. Here we are in the cockpit of the rocket.
We've taken our oxygen tanks off because we're not going to need them till we get to the moon.
No, but there's a lot of buttons to press in this rocket. It's pretty technical, Ali.
Oh, it's not rocket science, BJ.
Well, I don't know about that.
Actually, yeah, it is rocket science.
But there's one thing we need to say before we can launch. Do you remember what it is?
The countdown.
Yeah, we've got to do the countdown. So we're going to count backwards from 10. We need your help, okay? So we better get ready. Okay,
All right.
we ready?
Final launch readiness.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off!
Ignition, we have ignition, we have liftoff. Liftoff confirmed. Copy liftoff.
Oh, wow, Ali! This is going really fast!
Hold on tight, BJ.
Oh, hold on!
Engine BFSC, the roll set. On it is copy. We're coming up on stage 1 separation event. We have separation. We have confirmed bearing separation. Stage CRTU and LNTVC pressures are nominal. We have separation. Rudder pressure is nominal. Vehicle avionics and booster power systems are nominal.
Wow, here we are out in space, Ali.
Yeah.
You can see the Earth out the window.
You know what's really cool? Out in space, there's no gravity. Which means when you drop things, they just float around.
Yeah, let me show So I'm going to drop my glove and we'll see. Okay. So you ready?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, well, we'll be at the moon soon, so we
Yeah.
better keep flying. We'll see you at the moon.
Woohoo! Wow, there's hardly any gravity on the moon.
Oh, this is great. We can do big moon steps.
Yeah. Oh, quick, BJ, take a photo.
Oh, yeah. Okay, freeze. Oh, that looks great.
Okay.
Here, take a photo of me
All
now.
right, BJ.
Okay.
Smile.
Cheese! Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, Ali, look at our footprints.
Oh,
You can see the footprints in the moon dust.
You know what though, BJ?
What?
There's no wind up here, so those footprints are going to be here forever.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Hey, Ali,
What?
look behind us.
It's the Earth.
Yeah, it's like a half Earth. Just like you can see a half moon.
Yeah. Well, we should probably go, shouldn't we?
One more thing. We better collect some moon rocks while we're here.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Oh, look. Here's a really big moon rock.
Oh, can I see?
Yeah, look at it.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Wow, this is great. So we'll take our moon rock back to Earth.
Yep, I think it's time for us to go back to Questacon, BJ.
I think so. See you later, everyone. See you back at Questacon. Let's go get back into the rocket.
All right.
Off we go.
Wow!
Oh, it's good to be back on Earth.
BJ, that was amazing. We went to the moon.
I know, it was incredible.
Yeah.
Now we know what the moon is made of.
Yeah.
It's made of rocks.
Yeah, and we got to see Earth from a really, really long way away.
That was wonderful. It was like a half Earth. Yeah. And we made footprints.
Did? Yeah, they'll be there forever.
Yes, they will. And now I'm really looking forward to learning more about the moon and space.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah. You might like to go and have a look at the moon. You can go out tonight even and have a look. I wonder if it's a half moon, like the half Earth that we saw.
Or a full moon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe if you've got a telescope like this one or even a pair of binoculars, you can have a go at looking at the moon really, really close up as well.
Yeah, and you can see all the bumps and the craters. It looks wonderful. So I think I want to have another look as well, but we better
Me
say
too.
goodbye first. So see you next science time.
Bye.
We're going to go and look some more at the moon. Okay, you go first.
All right. Oh, wow. BJ, I can see where we landed.
Oh, look. Yeah, there it is.
It's so cool.